I have a Tiny Tidy Tuesday for you. Out with the old, in with the new. I am getting a new entryway table, and I have a tiered tray decor from tieredtray.com review for you, so stay tuned for that. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and this is my everyday wife life, where every day is a fresh start. Okay, so hubby bought me an entryway table for Christmas. Well, more like I said, do you want to buy this entryway table for me for Christmas? And he said yes, and then I clicked buy, and I bought it. That's how that worked. Anyway, I have been looking for a new entryway table for a long time, like 2 years. And I finally find one that has a double shelf underneath, and that is more substantial and more like I wanted in the entryway. It's actually late at night. I'm thinking it's like 9 o'clock and I'm putting this together. I thought I could do it myself, but I end up needing son's help. Hubby had already gone to bed. It's pretty easy. I just have to screw on the legs, really. The top part was already put together. It does have a thing to mount it to the wall, but that's not necessary. So let's see if I can get this done. And if you are new here, this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, which is put together by Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to click the playlist down in the description below, or it will be in the comments, and it also you can click on the link in the end screen. So you will have no excuse to not watch the whole playlist and see what everyone else is up to this Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Okay, so I started out putting it together using my handy dandy stool, and then I decided to put it on top of the other entryway table, the old entryway table, so I don't have to do the bending. But I ended up needing son's help because, I don't know, the legs were not screwing in. It was with one of those Allen wrenches that you needed to do. So, and apparently I had the legs on wrong, so we had to take them off and put them on correctly. So, yeah. Anyway, so son put this together for me. I found this on Target, and I do have an affiliate link down below if you are interested. I am affiliate of Magic Links, which links to Walmart and Target and etc. And honestly, the links are pennies that I make on that, but actually it was a good buy. It was only $215. I think it is listed for $238 now. I think that is a really good price. All right, that was fun. We had to take the legs off. We had them on wrong. I thought they were all like the same. Well, they are, but there's like little hooks that the shelf goes on, and they were on the inside, and they were here. They need to be over here. So we had to take all 4 legs off after putting them on. So it's pretty dang sturdy. It's hot, solid wood. And I like that the drawers don't come out. My other one, the drawers, there's no stoppers on it. So I like that. I'm not super happy with the color. It's gray. I would rather it be brown, like the trim up there or this, but I can live with it because I wanted one that was sturdier and heavier. See how that you probably can't tell, but the bottom thing is bowing on that. And it is a little bit deeper though, but I think it's fine. Yeah, see, that goes from my fingers to my elbow, and that's how I measure. And then this is, a good, I don't know, 3-4 inches deeper. So what am I going to do with that? I don't know. It's going to go in here for now. And I think I'm going to give it to my niece if she wants it. So I like it. Thanks, Sonny. Okay, so that was nice that he helped. Hubby went to bed, and I guess I'm going to wait to decorate it until the morning. So I did put this here that I have. I'm not sure what I want to do. I need to contemplate it. And then I do have, should I show you the pieces that I have? So I did get this from Tiered Tray Decor.com, I think. I'll put the links down below. And I did it in exchange for a review. So, not sponsored, just exchange for a review. So the pieces are like really good quality. So it's a monthly, I think monthly subscription, or maybe just seasonally. And I should know a little more before I'm talking to you about it. But let me just show you real quick. So the pieces are good and substantial. This is heavy, thick, nice pieces, big. See how big they are? They're the size of my hand. So that one says be mine. And then it came with some flowers. I don't know exactly what you call those flowers. What would you call that? And then it came with, so these are supposed to be obviously for a tiered tray. So I'm going to find a tiered tray to put this stuff on tomorrow and show you the rest of this. So this is really nice. This little jar container. It's big. And then there's like a little envelope looking thing. And it says I'm double-sided, so you could use it that way or this way. I don't know if I'm going to use it on a tier. Well, we'll see. And then it came with a package of hearts. Let me open that. It came with a package of wooden hearts, red, white, and pink. You could use them like that, stacked, or separate them. And that's it. And it came with this wooden X's and O's, or hearts rather, too. So, it came really nice package. You can see I had already opened it, but everything was wrapped really nice, so nothing would break, because like this is breakable. So this was wrapped. This thing was wrapped all in this, so that was nice. So I'll put the information below, and I'll tell you more about this tomorrow. But you'll see them in a minute here. Yeah, it came with these 6 pieces. Pretty nice. And I will have a link down below where you can get a discount code for it. You can do a monthly subscription, or I think individually, one-time thing. tieredtrade.com reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to be sent their Valentine's subscription box in exchange for a review. So I said sure. So their subscription box is a 3-month, a 6-month, or a 12-month subscription box, and it is $50 a month, and it comes with 5 to 8 pieces, and not all of the pieces are exactly holiday related. Some of the pieces are interchangeable, and they also have a Facebook group and an Instagram page on Facebook. If you're a member and you sign up for their subscription, you can share what you have decorated for that month on your tiered tray, and get some ideas on how to do that. So I think it's pretty cute idea. So yeah, check that out. And I have a discount code down below in the description, and you can get 10% off your subscription. Okay, all done. So that's all I'm doing for now. I see this needs to be judged. It's not in the middle. That's going to bug me. So I got my little box out of Valentine's stuff. That's all I have, other than this basket too, because it didn't fit in there. That goes in my hutch, but currently it's not, because this is the state of my dining room. If you haven't been watching my video, I'm trying to take my house back this month with a monthly reset with a video every Sunday. So be watching for that. I'm still putting away Christmas. So, and we got new carpet, and we had to move furniture, and it was a mess anyway. And so, I need to have something pretty while I'm waiting for that to get back together. Anyway, so I'm doing minimal, which I always pretty much do for Valentine's Day. Sometimes I don't even decorate for Valentine's Day. So this was in my linen closet. I had, a bunch of stuff in here. And there's things in here that I'm not going to use this year. But I don't know. I'm going to put it down here and I might hang it up later. So definitely things like this is a great thing to have for if you want to go minimal, simplify your decor, but still have something and not have to keep a bunch of things. So that's, you know, made out of craft paper, scrapbooking paper. Cut that out and hang it on a string and put it in a Ziploc bag, and it doesn't take up much room. And neither does the things on the tier tray. So, this I already had, and this I already had, so I just paired them. I don't have anything in the back. If I find something, I will put it in there. I think it looks pretty dang cute. And this can be reused for next month for something. So from what I'm understanding, they give you pieces like that you can interchange each into the next month or whatever. Yeah, I like how these pieces are like substantial and not cheapy and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna store this right here, and will have to figure out what I'm going to put in there. We don't really use this as an entryway. We don't come in the front door. We come in the garage. So there's that. So I'm not sure what else I'm going to store there. And then I have the garland here, and this is a rag heart that I made a couple years ago. I like it. I think it's pretty cute. It kind of goes with the vintage hearts that are down here. I'm not going to decorate over here. Yeah, I don't have a pillow. I used to have one, but I decluttered it, and I don't really have a blanket or anything to put there. So there's that. I'm loving the new entryway table. Yeah, I like it. It's definitely more substantial. I'm not sure what else I'm going to put here. It'll have to take some time. So make sure you check out the links below. There's going to be a discount code in there. I believe it's My Everyday Wife Life, and you can enter that when you go to the website if you want to sign up for their subscription box. Yeah. And don't forget to watch the playlist of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I'll put that down below in the description box, and in the comments I will pin that in the end screen. So until next time, guys, enjoy your day. Don't forget to check out the Tiny Tidy playlist. The link to that playlist is right here in the end screen. And don't forget about the discount code for the tiertray.com subscription. If you are interested in that, it will be in the description. And until next time, guys, enjoy your day.